like to add my welcome to that of the captain. My name is Mikey. It's my pleasure to be your senior stewardess aboard this flight bound for London Heathrow, Terminal 3. I'd like to introduce my crew working alongside me, looking after your comfort, safety and well-being in our Euro Traveller cabin. It's Bailey, Matt and Christina. Working alongside me here at the front is Ellie. If there's anything any of us can do to make your journey more comfortable during the flight, do of course please let any one of us know. You can press your call bell in the panel above your head or come to your seat, or you can feel free to come and see us in either one of the galleys at the front or rear of the aircraft. We'd like to extend a special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. As the captain's already mentioned, may I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care, as items may have moved, could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time or whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. We are pleased to be launching our free onboard Wi-Fi messaging service for all Executive Club members. To connect